Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about IELTS Writing Task 2 and I'm going to give you some advices according to my knowledge and understanding. We'll see there are 7 types of Task 2 questions for IELTS. Number 1, agree or disagree. Number 2, advantages or benefits outweigh disadvantages or drawbacks. Number 3, discuss 2 views plus your opinion. Number 4, discuss 2 views only, which means no opinion. Number 5, causes and solution or problem and solution. Number 6, 2 questions or 2-part questions. Number 7, opinion. So today we are going to talk about agree or disagree. Here's a question. Many children these days have an unhealthy lifestyle. Both schools and parents are equally responsible for solving this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Now the outline of the essay. We should follow the formula of a 4-paragraph essay structure. For the agree-disagree essay, I think it's probably easiest to just completely agree or completely disagree because you just need to have 2 reasons to support why. Remember, the examiner is marking you on how you express, organize, and support your ideas. They aren't going to judge you on your opinion, as long as it's logical and cohesive. Your argument is supported and your ideas stick together. And written clearly, you will get a higher mark. You can follow this 4-paragraph structure. Number 1, introduction. Introduce the topic and give your clear answer to the task question. I fully agree or disagree with the claim. Number 2, main reason number 1. Why you agree or disagree. Give examples and supporting details. Number 3, main reason number 2. Why you agree or disagree. Give examples and supporting details. 4. Conclusion. Restate your opinion. This is a very short paragraph, probably 1 to 2 sentences. Here's an example. My outline of ideas for my essay, not fully written out. Number 1, introduction. Write a sentence about the topic, paraphrase the claim, and give my opinion. Here I completely disagree. You can agree as well. I think only parents are fully responsible for solving this problem. In the media, we often hear or read about the rising trend of children leading unhealthy lifestyles. This is the hook sentence. You may or may not use this sentence. Now, we have to paraphrase. While many believe both schools and parents share equal responsibilities for solving this problem, I disagree and feel that parents are fully responsible for changing the unhealthy lifestyles of their children. Now comes the body paragraph. Main reason number 1. I believe parents are fully responsible for solving this problem. Main caregiver and spend the most time with their kids. Should be the primary role model of living a healthy lifestyle. Most effective because parents provide child's food or meals and guidelines for child's free time and activities. As the main caregiver and educator, parents spend the most time with their children and therefore are the biggest influence on the way their child eats and acts. The best way to solve this is to be a role model for their child by making healthy choices on what to eat and how much activity or sports they take part in. If a child sees their parent eating vegetables or goes for a walk with them after dinner, their habits will change for the better. Besides, with parents in control of providing the child's day-to-day food and organizing their child's free time activities, they are the most effective ones to tackle this problem. Body paragraph number 2, main reason number 2. Schools should not be responsible for solving this problem. Schools should focus on academics, on reading, writing, maths, and science. Teachers have a relatively small amount of time with each child. They have to worry about a classroom full of 30 plus children. It is least effective because they don't provide for the children's regular diet. Because the primary purpose of school is to focus on academics and learning development, schools should not be responsible for solving the problem of children's unhealthy lifestyles. Moreover, with 20 students or more in a classroom, teachers already have a relatively small amount of time with each child to actually influence their decisions on what to eat and to do. In short, schools would be the least effective because they have no control or means over what each child eats or how they spend their free time. Number 4, conclusion. Restate my opinion that I completely disagree and believe that only parents rather than parents and school is equally responsible for changing children's unhealthy lifestyles. To sum up, I believe that only parents rather than parents and school equally are responsible for changing children's unhealthy lifestyles. As primary caregivers and role models, parents rather than schools are closest and most influential to each child. Thank you for watching. We'll come up with another IELTS video next time.